Strategic planning in mergers and acquisitions is very important for both the buyer and the seller. From a buying standpoint, you want to make sure that the company that you are looking at is the same behind closed doors as what they are showing on their financials.
So depending where a business sits within the life cycle, either it's early stage or it's in a mature state, businesses may pursue a number of different options when it comes to M&A. On the buy side, we'll work to really understand the core components associated with that particular business and give them a holistic picture of where the business stands.
Due diligence for the buy side generally should start with the company figuring out what their overall strategy is for growth and figuring out whether they're making a stock or an asset acquisition. That's step number one.
Some of the factors that can affect evaluation during an M&A deal are IT due diligence, tax due diligence, accounting due diligence, and quality of earnings.
So we do a lot of operational and financial due diligence. We review assets and liabilities. We review all their financials and help you identify any risks or exposures that may be there that weren't disclosed. So without proper planning and execution of an integration plan, you might come across cash flow problems, you might come across personnel problems, your IT applications might not be ready.
And on the sell side, we'll work with sellers of a particular business to really identify all the value factors associated with the business in terms of marketing it out to the street.
What sellers need to understand is the components of the purchase price. In the case of contingent consideration, the contingent consideration can be based on earnings of the future company, and in that case can be substantially discounted off of the face value of the consideration. If stock is considered in kind as part of the transaction, the stock can decline substantially after the deal.
It's important to reach out to an advisor as soon as possible. We could start helping you put in the measures today to reach your optimal value.